Are you tired of watching the same old YouTube video? Let's get off that couch and see what we can do.
Hey honey, I bought a new generator for the trailer. I hope it's not too loud. Wait, how am I gonna get this in the truck? So if you're anything like me, you'll go down to the fishing hole and see what you can catch. Oh, I think I got one now. Ooh, look at it go. He's a big one. I think this is the catch of the day. Alrighty. How about that? You never know what you might catch here in Florida. You can try and set a world record for distance throwing cards. So here at the Avenger household, we're all about trying new things. We don't mind trying a new recipe here and there. Today, we got a special one for you. Give that a little go. And let's see how this is going to work. Just give him a little flip. All right, let's see how it tastes. Tastes like chicken. Oh, that's it. That's it. Stay right there. Stay right there. Oh, yeah. Oh, yes. Oh, nice. Nice. I'm going to make you a star.